This video wouldn't be possible without the support of these amazing brands. Huge thanks to them. Make sure to check out their socials to learn more about their awesome products.
What's up, fellow builders? Today, we'll unbox, build and review one of the most requested bootleg kits from some of the 30 Minutes Fantasy community, the Yulong Fang model Liber Knight. This kit is a bootleg version of Bandai's popular Liber Knight from the 30 Minutes Fantasy line. And today, we're going to find out if it can live up to the hype. Let's go! Want to level up your paint game? Check out Gaahleri.com. From airbrushes to compressors and parts, they've got everything you need. Plus their Color Works paints, smooth, lacquer-like finish, but eco-friendly and safe. The good news is, Gaahleri is now available here in the Philippines. Just hit them up on their Facebook and start upgrading your builds. And if you're outside the Philippines, you can order directly from their website and get 10% off using my code. Link and code are in the description box below. See ya!
verdict time.
Honestly, the kit surprised me in a lot of ways. The plastic quality is really good, almost on par with Bandai in my opinion. The details are sharp and well defined, making the armor and mechanical features stand out beautifully. The color separation is also excellent right out of the box, so it already looks impressive even without any paint. I also appreciate the extra parts included. You get additional hands for more display options, and Yulong Fang even throws in an extra head that lets you build the Rosa Knight style variant, which is a nice bonus. When it comes to articulation, the base silhouette is very capable and can pull off a variety of dynamic poses. However, once you equip all the armor pieces, some of that movement becomes a bit more restricted. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something worth keeping in mind if you're a fan of extreme action poses. As for the build experience, I personally didn't encounter any major issues with my copy. Everything fit together nicely and the overall experience was enjoyable. That said, I've also heard reports from other builders who received copies with fitting and quality control issues. Because of that, I think this kit falls into the hit or miss category, depending on the copy you'll receive. Still, based on my experience, the Yulong Fang Liber Knight offers excellent detail, good plastic quality, useful extras, and a fantastic shelf presence at a more affordable price point. And with that said, I'll give this kit a rating of
Subscribe for more review videos like this. And also, comment down the high grades that you want me to review next. Once again, my name is GundamDek, and thank you for watching.